If you eat 2 bananas per day for a month, this is what happens to your body. You might not have heard that banana is the #1 consumed food in the United States. Even more commonly consumed than oranges and apples combined. Yet, every now and then, there is some new exotic fruit that is popularized as the newest health revolution, so we often underrate bananas. However, you should remember that these fruits are extremely beneficial and offer various health benefits. Despite their delicious taste, bananas are rich in numerous nutrients, natural sugars, vitamins and fibers. At the beginning, bananas are greenish in color and have no spots, but as they get riper, brown spots appear and cover the whole fruit. These spots do not mean that the bananas are rotten, but they actually indicate that these bananas are at the peak of their development, as they are the richest in TNF then. TNF is a potent cancer-fighting substance which fights abnormal body cells. It helps the communication between the cells of the immune response system and guides the movement of cells towards the infected or inflamed areas in the body. Studies have shown that the TNF in bananas prevents the growth and spread of tumor cells, by inducing apoptosis, cell death. Therefore, if your bananas have brown spots, do not throw them away, as they are extremely healthy. Despite preventing cancer, bananas offer numerous other health benefits, as follows. Treating constipation. Since bananas are rich in fiber, their consumption will stimulate regular bowel movements and relieve constipation. Helps to stop smoking. The nutrients like potassium, vitamins and magnesium that are present in banana take the nicotine from the body. Overweight. Bananas together with skim milk is very good medicine to reduce your weight. Reduce the risk of heart stroke and attack. Potassium in banana maintains the body fluids and electrolyte balance in the cells and helps in BP control, thus reduces the risk of heart stroke and attack. Good for blood. Vitamin B6 bananas is useful in the hemoglobin and antibodies development in the blood. Healthy bones. Potassium present in banana helps in reducing the risk of osteoporosis by reducing the calcium deficiency. Eyesight. Regular consumption of bananas or other fruits can prevent the macular degeneration development, which is responsible for the loss of vision in most adults. Hangover. Banana milkshake together with little bit of honey is a very good remedy for hangover. It soothes your tummy. Together with milk it rehydrates your system. Improve mood. An amino acid called tryptophan present in banana helps in the serotonin production. Improve brain function and keep alertness. Potassium available in the banana helps in developing the brain function as well as keep alertness.